Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Ski Coaching Online. In this video, we're going to look at how we get a bit more grip on a steep slope. So this is a black run. It's pretty slick underneath with a bit of soft stuff on top. So as we go down here, just one of the things that helps out a bunch is whichever direction I want to travel, that's the way that I'm going to point the top of my ski. So for example, I have yellow top sheets, right, on these head skis. So what I want to do is I want to go left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point the top of my ski to the left-hand side. So I do that by tipping over my feet. And as I do it though, I make sure that my shoulders and my eyes are looking down the slope where I want to go. If I do that, then I'll be able to balance a little bit more towards that outside foot. So I'll get a little bit of grip to the end of the turn like that. So as I'm going, two things. One, tip the top of the ski in the direction that you want to go. So I'm going right, so I tip my top sheets right. I'm making sure that your eyes and your shoulders keep looking down the slope where you're going. So that way then you can maintain balance towards that outside ski so you can get a bit of control as you go. Woohoo! So tip them right, tip them left, tip them right, tip them left. But as we're going, my shoulders and my eyes keep looking down the slope where I want to go. So that way then I can stay balanced more towards the outside foot. So I can keep gripping as I'm going down the hill. Thanks for watching.